Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Well, here's a brand new product I am really excited about. This is Stonegate Contemporary Keystone. This is a brand new type of Keystone retaining wall unit system, come from the makers of Keystone Wall systems. Now, Stonegate is an old kind of fashion type, but this Stonegate Contemporary is really kind of a neat one. So let's show you how it works in this project. So here's the front yard before we get cracking, kind of a gentle slope. Kind of grass. We're going to scrape all that and start installing this keystone. So Stonegate Keystone is like all keystones, it's pinned together. If you're just doing up to 3 feet, you can simply just pin them together, which is what you see the guys doing here. Now, notice it's installed on a gravel base. If you're doing a retaining wall below 3 feet, you can just use a compact gravel base. Make sure to check your local building codes to see how thick and how wide of a footing you're going to use for this. But the nice thing about this one is it gives you the nice clean look. Now this was a tricky spot because not only did it slope towards the street, it sloped towards the other neighbor property. So we needed some kind of stair step down, but it kind of gives that nice clean look. So again, you pin these together just like a regular keystone wall. And then when you get to that final topping part, the cap, that's when you actually use the adhesive. And what they used for this particular job was this 12 by 24 antique black cap. Really gorgeous stuff. They put it all on place, make sure they had all the pieces on. Now before they actually put the adhesive in, they took it off, and that's when they put a little extra stain of black to give it a really clean, modern look. So again, this is Stonegate Contemporary. There are links in the video description and the comment section for more information about this product. It's a new product from Keystone Wall Systems. Really great for those modern, clean setups when you have one like a really nice modern retaining wall. Again, good for up to 3 feet. You can actually go higher than 3 feet, but then you have to use a concrete footing, a rebar reinforcement through the middle. You can see it has rebar holes. You can actually use rebar with this, and a geogrid to kind of tie into the retaining wall system. So it is possible, but you need to do a little engineering if you want to go above 3 feet. It can go as high as 6 feet. Well, anyway, that's all the time we have for today. I want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit like and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. And thank you, by the way, to Unique Landscaping for a great job on this particular video. They did a beautiful job on this wall. There's some information about their services in the description as well. But that's all the time we have for today. Again, thank you so much for watching. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks and come again.